Tammy at Cornell Farms, and today we're trying to refresh some of our really large urns. So we took out everything that was kind of spring summer inspired, a lot of annuals, and we're working on the inspiration for this urn, which is going to be like a forest type coloration. One thing you can do when you are trying to design your pot is to use a customer card here and think about the plants you want to combine. So I'm working on a kind of forest looking one-sided, so I don't have much back here, but I have a thriller, some fillers that I'm not quite sure if I'm set on, and then I'm looking for spillers to go over the edge. So it helps me to visualize this by laying it out. This is our thriller, something tall that gives like a wow factor to the arrangement. Our fillers are evergreen tassel fern, and that's beautiful grass that has a lot of texture and motion to it. And then we have some heuchera with some kind of burgundy accents that really plays off the lighter colors of the other plants. And for the spillers, we have Vinca major and Vinca minor. And at this point in the design process, we kind of dial in all the little details. So this one has bigger leaves with white accents. The Vinca minor has smaller leaves. We'll be deciding which one we like best with the other plants that we've selected. So this is just a start of our design process, and we kind of massage it. It's good to walk away from it for a bit and then come back or ask someone else's opinion. Another thing we're doing is thinking about, do we want kind of hardscaping these white branches in the design? It gives a little more height to the design, and it helps take it from fall through the winter season as well. Everything we have in here is evergreen. We could add fairy lights or white lights. We could add things on the branches to make it look more holiday and festive. But this is our forest inspired urn. We're at the big urns in front of Cornell Farms entrance, and today we're going to be talking about the whole process of what it's like to change from a spring-summer planting to something that is more fall-oriented that will take us through to winter. So these urns are kind of the focal point of our farm. You see it when you enter our driveways and when you visit our cafe. So we really want them to be a showcase of texture and color and what we think the season can be. So that's why we chose the garden party as inspiration for this. We played up texture and color, pops of color, things that change a little bit during the season as well. For instance, you know, this hen and chick, it gets brighter during cooler weather, so you'll be able to see the change as you visit Cornell Farm through the seasons. You can treat a big project like this just like a small pot. Keep perspective in mind and proportion. So these urns are so big that we have a really big pieris as the focal point or the thriller. Coming up with a design for a planter or a big urn like this takes a while to kind of massage all the details and get it to look how you want it, especially keeping in mind proportions and colors maybe behind your pot. If you're using it by your front door, you have to factor that into your design as well. It's a group effort on our part here at the farm, and we appreciate you coming along on this journey with us. When you come to Cornell and want assistance deciding on the plants for your pot, we'd be happy to help you. We're always here for you, and let's have a garden party.